Cow has been slaughtered. Definitely it's a cow's stomach.
Where's David Junior? And Daudi, where are you? We want family.
Thank you, madam. Familia de Mr. Ondari, Madam Ondari, Lisa.
Yeah, thank you. That's a hand. Thank you, I appreciate it. Yes, everybody's celebrating, guys. Nice man. How are you? Shoot and I shoot. Now, guys, come you are a teacher and you are here. Get that opportunity and introduce yourself. Kindly. Tuanze na wewe madam, karibu. These are teachers.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much, all protocol observed and the church. Is it good afternoon?
Yes.
Okay, good afternoon. Mungu yu mwema na siku zote. Ninashukuru.
I'm recording. How are you? Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Nice one.
How are you? What are you cooking here?
We are preparing meal for the visitors: chicken,
Okay.
Irish potato, fried Irish potato.
Okay.
Yeah.
You give yourself a shout out in
I go by the
kitchen.
name. I go by the name. I am a Chacha, and I'm here in the. I am a Chacha on YouTube channel.
Okay.
Okay. I go by the name. I am a Chacha on YouTube channel, and here we are preparing different type of meals like chicken fried, chicken stew,
Okay.
Irish potato fried. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay. You are not paid.
Yeah, I'm not paid. I love cooking you from my younger age. Yeah,
Okay.
that's love cooking.
Okay.
So when I saw this opportunity, I said, let
You
me
grabbed
come
it.
Let me come and grab it.
Amazing. So guys, we're working in the kitchen. I am Osea.
Yeah?
In
Yes.
the kitchen.
Mia. Welcome, nice man.
What are you doing?
I'm just watching over out there, just doing this.
You're supervising.
Yeah, I'm supervising.
Okay.
And I thank you for hosting me.
Yeah.
At the same time, guys, kindly watch the video until the end. I will also subscribe to the channel.
Okay.
Also share the link, guys, as we are moving on with this party, guys. Yeah, thank you for hosting me.
What's up? It's Pablo Junior here, and the Junior is JNR. My role is in the kitchen. I'm just chilling in the kitchen, ensuring that everything moves on well while working also a bit to help the process to take on smoothly. Yes, of course.
Okay, I'm amazing. I hope the food will be okay. But then you are working under base, is it?
No.
Yeah?
I'm from our group.
Okay, YouTube.
Yes, of
YouTubers.
course.
So far, what have you made for us?
There are different kinds of food.
We have the matumbos. Amazing food. We have the stomachs. The stomachs. Where are the stomachs? They are there. These are the stomachs. Yes. They are not matumbos.
No, they are stomachs.
Okay, in Kiswahili we call them matumbo.
Yes.
But
in English,
a new vocabulary. In fact, she's
cow
right.
stomachs.
Yes, stomachs.
Cow stomachs.
Excuse me? They are called?
Stomachs. Cow has been slaughtered. Definitely it's a cow's stomachs.
Because everything that is here is from
Cows.
the stomach. I think it's right. Okay, this is one of my pupils. Do you have a channel?
Matumbo mnaita stomach. Mmeenda shule mpaka
Did
university.
I teach you?
Guys, I am It's Makenge. Yeah, I am here in the kitchen. I'm helping here my friend to
Do what?
fry meat.
Meat. You're frying meat?
Yeah. as you can
Amazing. So this when you're done with this.
see. Yeah.
Guys, first is my intestines.
Intestines, yeah, they are intestines. But then it is stomachs. Videoing and also me, I'm taking.
Sure.
There's no
Guys,
problem.
this is nice,
Amazing.
ma'am.
This is
The Kennedy, guys.
exactly.
Welcome to Breaking Radio's YouTube channel.
Yes.
And thank you so much, and Nice Mom, for featuring me in your YouTube channel.
Thank you so
I really
much.
do appreciate.
Yeah.
Yeah, I also do amazing content, village content, like traveling content. And Breaking Radio is actually THEE space KHENEDIYO.
Yeah.
Guys, support me and tell me, you know, just click one of my videos, watch and subscribe, and just tell me I'm coming from Nice Mom, and I'm gonna appreciate my level best.
Thank you so much. So thank you for hosting me too on your channel.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Yesterday you helped me with your charger.
Yeah,
Did you
sure.
get it?
Yeah,
and
I
then
get it.
you guys, you resemble. Have somebody told you that?
Yeah, for sure. Actually, guys, I don't know. You know, guys, I'm sure you guys know Neki's Adventures.
Yeah.
They normally say that we resemble, like we are of the same. I don't know, like he's my twin brothers, guys. Tell me, guys, do you think we are twin brothers?
In fact, me, I got confused.
Yeah.
And then I asked, are you the one who gave me the charger?
Yeah.
I said, no, but I know the person that went to give the charger because we resemble.
But you know what, guys? The amazing thing is that we are not even of the same tribe. You know, in Kenya, we have a lot of tribes. Actually, we have 54. In the same tribe, guys. I don't know. I think I should consult my mom, you know.
You've made my day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Nice mom.
Okay, welcome again.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, we're gonna meet again.
Okay, tk you. Okay. Yeah. There's some food that was being cooked here, but I believe they've been transferred. So this is where they were cooking. The fire is still on. Yeah. So it's amazing. So as we can see, this is Marwa's compound. Guys, we are partying. Everybody is in the spirit of partying.
Don't tell me I was recording that time. Are you recording yourself or me? Oh my God.
Yeah, it's
nice,
okay.
Mom.
It's okay. Yeah.
Nice, Mom. How are you?
I'm good.
It's been a minute.
Yeah.
How is everything?
Everything is okay. Yeah.
Welcome to the party.
Yeah, I see you. You have the badge.
Yeah, I have the badge.
Yeah.
Marwa staff. I'm in the environment department, guys. And yeah, I'm looking around the environment, ensuring everything is clean, ensuring people are not throwing plastics and papers.
Yeah.
And of course, to just keep everything positive energy, positive vibes.
Okay, thank you so much. Give yourself a shout out.
Guys, you can check me out. I'm Makena Joy on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. I have amazing content. Come and check me out. And also support Nice Mom a lot.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome.
This one. Not mine though, but I'm going to take this one.
Okay, so that you can just come and record.
Yeah.
You know already I'm recording.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Yes. Hello guys. Hello Nice Mom family. Yeah, I go by the name Chef Claire _1.
Yeah.
And I do village vlogs, I do cooking videos, not videos, vlogs. And also lifestyle, you know, like traveling. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Kindly, road to 5K, and also support our mom here.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome. Masio is recording, and also even me, I'm recording. How are you? Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
How is everything?
Everything is perfect. I'm showing the people around.
Okay.
Kwenda kwa haraka, naomba pia kuwatambua walimu tafadhali, if you are a teacher, just come. Because hatutakuwa na muda mwingine. Teachers, Mr. Kiriga, I'm seeing you there. Nao kazi peke yake. Kama you are a teacher and you are here, get that opportunity and introduce yourself. Kindly. Tuanze na wewe madam, karibu. These are teachers. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much, all protocol of Observe and the church. Is it good afternoon? Yes. Okay, good afternoon. Mungu yu mwema na siku zote. Ninashukuru Mungu kwa ajili ya sherehe ambayo iko mahali hapa tunatumia lugha ya Kiswahili. Tunashukuru Mungu kwa sababu ya kazi hii. Ni utukufu wote unamrudia Mungu. Kwa majina naitwa Eunice Ogana. Hayo ni majina yangu ambayo ni official. Niko na YouTube channel na naitwa Nice Mom. Karibuni sana. Asante. Kwa sasa hivi ni bado nafunza Reverend David Dubesko. Asanteni sana. Karibu madam.
Thank you madam. Familia ya Mr. Ondari na Madam Ondari, Lisa. za shukurani kwa mwaliko wenu kuja kujumuika nanyi katika hafla hii. Kwa majina ni Thomas Kirida, mwalimu mstaafu. Nilibahatika kufanya kazi pa kumfunza Fred Ondari na his siblings. Kwa hivyo nashukuru, si hotuba, ilikuwa ni kujitambulisha tu. Asanteni sana na washukuruni nyote mliofika, tuwe pamoja na tusherekee pamoja. Asanteni.
Amen, amen.
Wageni wote, familia Mr. Ondari, hamjambo. Majina ni Susan Paul, mwalimu mkuu wa shule ya msingi ya Mchebe. Nimesema asante madam kwa mwaliko na nashukuru kijana kwa kazi nzuri. Asante.
Amen.
Nilikuwa nimeongea mapema. Nikusema jina tu wale ambao pengine hawanijui. Naitwa Mzee John Mangera. Mzee John Mangera is a retired teacher. And the former principal of Kuba Secondary School and that's the executive sector of the entire Kulia. So, mama, tunashukuru.
Karibu sana.
Asante sana. Watu wa Mungu mjambo. Mjambo tena. Asante. Kwa majina naitwa Protas Nyabando. Mimi ni naibu ya mwalimu Madam Esther. Na mimi pia niko.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Amen. Hamjambo wote. Kwa majina naitwa Claire Robi, Madam Ondari tumefunza na yeye Rokere. Baadaye nikahama nikaenda Duvesco, kwa kina Fred wote nimewafunza Duvesco. Na tunasema hongera Fred kwa kazi nzuri ambayo unafanya. Mungu aendelee kukubariki. Asanteni sana.
Amen. Tupigie walimu makofi. God bless you teachers for the good work that you have done. Mubarikiwe sana walimu kwa yale yote mmeongea.
It's just an honor to be here and celebrate all of your son Marwa's accomplishments. I really don't know what more to say. I'm inspired. I'm inspired by everyone here showing love to the man that has worked so hard to build this and to help build everyone else that's out here with YouTube. So I won't take too much of your time. Just thank you mom and dad, and brother and Marwa for having me here again. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Amesema ameshukuru sana familia ya Maro na wale wote ambao mmefika katika sherehe.
Tutembea kwa pamoja wote.
You look nice today. How is your feeling about everything?
Everything is good.
Yeah, where is your necklace?
My necklace? I need to find the outfit.
Okay. Otherwise you're good?
Yes.
I just like you stepping down.
Yes.
Yeah, it's even healthy. Celebrating, guys. guys. Very happy. Even we cannot make content. Yeah, you cannot. This is not a content. It's not a content. And people are very happy. Yes. We are enjoying the video.
Tumkaribishe Marwa pamoja na familia. Kwa hiyo tuwe karibu. Sasa hiyo tutafute nyimbo nzuri ambayo tunaweza tukaimba. Space kidogo tu. Yeah, we need some space. We need some... Yeah, thanks Mayugno for that. I hope okay, ni muda wa kula keki na hii keki. And please tupate space kidogo. Congratulations Marwa. Keki ya kwanza, the first cake has been written. Congratulations. Sisi wote 3 2 1 say congratulations. Marwa. Yeah. Haya basi ni muda kula keki. Where is the knife? It's coming. Before us, it's 2 lovely cakes. One is congratulations and another one is the villa. So nikisema keki, nasema villa. Nikisema keki, nasema Marwa. Keki! Villa! Keki! Marwa! Kati sikate! Kate, sindio? Yeah! Sana. Nice one. Let's make a shout and some noise. Space. Parents, baba na mama, tunawahitaji. Congrats mom, family, congrats to come. I don't know where you at. And congrats mom and dad. Rocio, you should be around. Okay. Now, Daudi, where are you? We want family. Congrats, mom. Congrats, mom. How do you see the cake? Say something.
I'm so grateful, guys, for coming to see us, and thank you for the cake. God bless you, the YouTubers. Thank you for your wonderful work that you have done. As we eat this cake, may God bless you. This is hospitality. Thank you.
Okay, we're going to cut this cake as a family. And the first cake, where's David Jr.? And Mara, please.
Kindly, let's make some space. Kindly, please. Please.
Yes. So,
you can record from there.
This is the protocol. This is your knife, but where is the family? The family. Okay, now it's busy. We're cutting it in. We cut cutting it in 3, 2, 1. Nikisema kata, mnasema kata, sawa? 3, 2, 1, kata. 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 Usiogope. Kata. Ale. Kata keki sio ugali. Kata keki. Kata keki. Kata keki sio ugali. Okay, now you've cut the cake. Yeah, we need to taste whether the cake is good. Can you give it to mom because yeah, it's a blessing.
It's a big one. How should I cut it?
No, should teach you how to teach you.
Yeah, you may teach him how. Ukikuona ongei wewe. Keki! Villa! Keki! Yeah, now this cake is going to be cut by the engineer because engineer and Marwa, and we're going to do that in 3. And Mayugno!
Wow!
And Mayugno is the cameraman. And
bring this one. Let him push.
Okay, let's squeeze to push kidogo.
Let's do the nyuma. Kabla wakati keki ya
Now, this cake, hii keki nikiangalia, hii nyumba from the land breaking mpaka sehemu imefika, I think it's all the blessings of God and dedication and hard work and prayer from the parents na community. Ukweli uongo? Ukweli! Now, nikisema 3, 2, 1, engineer pamoja. By the way, kama mko mnajua hata mzee pia alikuwa one of the engineers. So, yes! You remember the donkey? Yes! Now, 3, 2, 1, you need to get this, so you make cut yeah. Now, engineer. Wapi kelele na nderemo bwana. Now watu wamekata dirisha, hawajakata mlango. Now, Maro, you may feed the first one, the dad first. Yeah. So, keki ya kwanza nakulisha baba na tumpatie shangwe na vigelegele wapi? Kata keki sio ugali. Kata keki sio kata keki. Kata keki. Kata keki sio ugali. Mzee, how is it? Kubwa. Okay, haya tupuli kidogo, nyuma kidogo. Now this cake is going directly to the engineer. So engineer, kata keki sio kula keki sio ugali. Kata keki sio tofali, kula keki. Kula keki. Kula keki sio tofali. Haya. Manganyu. You faint. Don't faint, Mayugno. Mayugno. Aya, 3, 2, 1, how's the cake, man? Okay, guys, let's push together. And Pablo, where are you? Hey, please. Now you have it more permanent.
Verified.
As not fake. Now Mario may tell us.
I want to give you space, then now people can enjoy. Please, let's start with the kids, please. Tuanzie watoto tukienda huko juu.
Paris and Irene, please, you should come at the table so that tunaanza na watoto, then everybody is going to get a piece of cake. Everybody, where is Paris?
Watoto kwanza.
Yeah, Paris please. Yeah. Haya, tukae kila mmoja atapata. Let's give Marwa some space. And please, chakula kipo. Usiondoke bila kupata angalau chochote. The food is here. Paris and where's Minnie? Where's Jeff? Minnie and Jeff should be around there. So the kids, we're going to start with the kids. Now what was it?
Amazing. How are you? Fine, thank you.
I cannot faint. I look like Ronaldo. Imagine.
Guys, it's amazing.
Hello. subscribe.
You already done with the cake. Now we want to go and the main meal. It's exciting, guys. Yeah, we are so excited.
We are going to open now. This is a welcome to Nice Mom's channel. If you haven't subscribed to Nice Mom channel, what are you just waiting for? My good name is Master 254. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget I'm the top mason at the Villa Mayday Gym.
Acha ni Nice Mom.
Yeah.
Nice Mom trale nake.
You know I'm on.
Kindly check on my YouTube channel, The Moji Empire.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll appreciate it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
How is the food?
It's delicious.
Yeah, guys, you can see the line. And the food is so amazing. How is the food? How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, how is the food?
The food is sweet.
Yeah? Okay. I'm grateful. How is the food?
It's delicious. You can taste it.
I can taste it. I'm going to take mine. Okay, guys, the food is so amazing. I'm just looking at the food.
Yes.
But you don't want your face to be on the camera.
Very delicious.
Chakula iko nyingi. Wawili na kwa mmoja wa hivi. Ngoja naingia nje. Bora pelekea mwingine kuja ni wewe. Unaweka hapa. Wewe songa.